Cordless Vacuum Review. Dreame V16 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Real green light proof. Ever vacuum a room and still feel like it is not actually clean? I remember standing in my living room, convinced I had finished, then watching sunlight hit the floor and reveal a fine layer of dust. That moment is frustrating. You think you cleaned, but you did not. Have you had that same silent doubt after vacuuming? That doubt builds into tension. You push harder, vacuum twice, maybe 3 times, and still feel a knot in your stomach, wondering what you missed. I tried switching floor heads, cleaning filters, even vacuuming slower. Nothing solved the heavy fog of uncertainty. There has to be a smarter way to see what you are actually cleaning. Then everything changed when I found the Dreame V16 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. Don't just pick any cordless vacuum cleaner. Make sure it has green light dust detection so you never suffer invisible dust frustration again. The first time I turned it on, the green light exposed particles I genuinely could not see before. Let me be honest, that was humbling. The 160,000 RPM motor and 215 air watt suction did not just lift crumbs, it pulled embedded dust from hard floors and carpets with steady power. The 5-stage filtration captured fine particles down to 0.3 micrometers, so air leaving the vacuum felt cleaner, not dusty. The 90-minute battery in eco mode meant I could clean my entire apartment without racing the charger. A freelance designer I know was finishing a late client project and realized her filming backdrop looked dusty. She ran the V16 Pro quickly under the green light and fixed it before sending the final video. Crisis avoided. The mite removal brush and pet tool quietly make this more than a floor vacuum. Can you imagine seeing dust before it spreads? After weeks of steady use, the shift is subtle but powerful. You clean once and you trust the result. An appliance reviewer noted that the green light detection changes how people approach hard floor cleaning because you can see what was previously guesswork. A tech analyst highlighted the 160,000 RPM motor and 215 air watt suction as genuinely competitive within flagship cordless models. On social platforms, pet owners consistently mention how effectively it handles fur on both hardwood and low-pile carpets. One large home user shared that the 90-minute eco runtime allowed full house cleaning without mid-session charging. I will say this honestly. On turbo mode, it is loud, and the battery drains faster. That is the trade-off for maximum power. But for daily cleaning in eco or medium, it feels balanced and controlled. The continuous lock button also reduces finger fatigue, which sounds small until you clean stairs. Some hesitate about switching brands or investing in a premium cordless vacuum, but the learning curve here is minimal, and attachments click in easily. If you had to choose, would you value visibility of dust or pure suction strength more? That clarity usually guides the decision. The Dreame V16 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner turns cleaning from guesswork into visible control. You gain strong 215 air watt suction, green light dust detection, long runtime, and filtration that supports cleaner air. Thousands of pet owners, allergy-sensitive users, and busy professionals already rely on this style of cordless vacuum daily. Results may vary depending on surface and usage. You will find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. And yes, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Take a look and see what you have been missing.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.